So the whole idea is to replace these seals because they're leaking oil.
In today's episode, you will learn how to replace the front suspension fork seals. First, we got to take this puppy apart, so let's do that first. And now for the moment of truth. How much oil was from the factory? Seems they were greedy AF. It's practically dry.
Aika kuiva.
Niin,
Mitä?
desi pitäisi olla molemmilla puolilla sitten. Että oli niinku jollain muillakin ollut käytännössä kuivat.
Next step is to remedy the situation, replacing the seals and adding some fresh oil into the mix. Now to soak the seals with oil, well, that looks like eggs for breakfast.
Kuka tilas kananmunia aamupalaksi? Also, you changed these tiny seals as well.
These might require some force, so just take it slow. But if it ain't moving,
Yes. Also clean the sides and use isopropyl alcohol to clean it.
lubricate the seals to make it easier to install them. And take out your 3D printed seal installation tool. Oh, what, you don't have one? Then you will need to be creative. Air up the shocks.
Connect these two inside the tubes. Just push it and wiggle them in. Next step is, when you have them halfway in, you pump oil at the bottom. Right here.
You can Google your shocks to see how much oil to add.
Nice.
Then install your fresh forks and go for a test ride.